Just let it be.
Yeah, this is my rap. My rap. My rap. My rap. My rap. This is my rap. All mine. Yeah. Yo, my name's Beavis. I'm also the Cornholio King. Beavis. Yeah, that's my name now. I'm the great Cornholio. Yeah. Are you threatening me with your rap? Are you threatening me with your rap?
Nigga, you need to get off that crack. Get off your mama's dick as well. Cause you know that shit ain't good for you. Homie, straight up, stay on TNT. All up in the TL, up in Frisco, yeah. 415, nigga can't touch me. Fuck the 585, can't see me. 415, Bay Area, yeah.
Highland High School sucks. So does Butthead. He sucks. I spank my monkey every night. Cause that's what Beavis does. And Butthead too.
Nigga, you sure do know a lot about sucking and jacking off. What you do, be on Polk Street, blowing yourself all up in the Castro, looking like a drag king, with your fucking 5-inch stiletto ass heels, nigga. You need to fucking go having wax your shit, nigga, because I'm sorry, I wouldn't get with that, and neither would your mama, bitch. Even though she gave birth to you, even the doctor looked at you and said, damn, that's a hairy ass monkey, and we're not talking about your pussy, bitch.
Bro, that's just fucked up, man.
Stewie helps me. Stewie's a little football head, a little punk with me. Yeah, he's a motherfucking G. Yeah, ass, bully.
Whatever helps you sleep at night, bitch.
Shut up, Stewie. Stewie. I am the great Cornholio. Are you threatening me? I'm great Cornholio. I'm from Crazy Cock. Yo.
I don't want to say Cletus.
Stewie pedophile. Shut up.
Yeah, nigga, get the fuck out of here with that shit. Nobody wants to see that big fat fucking rubbery ass. He's probably kicking it in the fucking closet with the angry monkey. Spanking that shit, you know, cause he likes to be jacking that monkey.
He should spank. She's a spank monkey.
I'll be right back. I gotta go, mow the lawn.
He's gonna mow the lawn. Yeah.
That's right, nigga, go mow your lawn, cause that's all you good at. And fight on the little fucking boys.
Beer.
Bitch.
I'm the great corn motherfucking holio. I am a motherfucking holio. But I'm a juggalo.
Be juggling these balls in your mouth, man, with motherfucking DRE. Rest in peace, nigga. Ain't my job. I could pull your cat back, but anything else ain't my fucking job, nigga. I ain't gonna speak to your monkey, cause I'm pretty sure that shit is small. Maybe you can ask the old guy down the street, cause he's been checking you out for a hot minute. Maybe you, Chris, and the evil monkey could get a one on.
Evil monkey. Great Cornholio, want to whack off? I go slap my monkey all around your mouth. I'm the great Cornholio. I need my TV. TV for my bunghole. TV for my bunghole. Bunghole. I'm the great Cornholio.
Nigga, there you go with that gay shit again. I thought we already went over this. You need to stay your ass on Polk Street. Maybe hit a few on Polk. Maybe you can get a nigga on a fucking some fresh ass rims. Get in his car and maybe give him a blowjob. Oh, but see, he's gonna see that you really a man and not really a bitch with your 5-ass stiletto heels. With that.
They weren't stiletto.
Hey, someone said dick.
He said dick. Yeah, dick.
Oh.
I'm the great Cornholio. Are you threatening me?
Oh, that was
Keep your
just
mind.
nasty, man. That was just wrong.
You're funny, Blackie. Yeah, cleavage.
Someone say cleavage. You.
All right.
Kitty.